Hi there, my name's Brittany Blain. I'm out here in Prince William Sound today doing some rockfish work, and I've caught a silvergray rockfish, and as you can see, this silvergray is suffering from some pretty major barrel trauma injuries. It's got a everted stomach right here, it's got pop eyes, its abdomen's pretty tight, so I'm going to go ahead and use a deep water release mechanism to release this fish back down to depth. I've got my deep water release mechanism all ready to go on a separate rod. This one here is called the SeaQualizer. All I need to do is put it here against the upper or lower part of the jaw or the lips and clamp it closed. I've got a camera on here so it looks a little different, but all I have to do is squeeze these and it's on there. So you can see I've got the SeaQualizer hooked on to the fishes, around the fish's lips there. And what I'll do is I'm going to open the bail of my reel so it's loose now. I can let a little extra line out if I want. I'm holding on to this weight and I'm going to kind of give it a little flip. And down it's going to go. I keep the bail open and let the line flow freely out. The SeaQualizer will automatically release the fish at 100 feet.